What's going on, guys? It's Daniel Patrick here, and you're welcome to the channel once more. If you're new to the channel, be rest assured that the future of money is here. All right, you can come for the content, but try as much as possible to stay for the community. Now, today's video is going to be about Eagle Network bulk miner verification. All right, the bulk miner verification is now open, and that is what I want to update you guys about. All right, so this video is going to be short. I'm not going to make it too long. I'm going to try as much as possible to be as fast as I can. All right, so what you have to do once you log into your app right now, if you're a bulk miner, for those of us who don't know what bulk miner is, bulk miner are people who actually use this power up option right here at the top right hand corner of my screen. There's a difference between bulk miner and team miner. Bulk miner are those, to simplify this, to make it simple, no long explanation, no big grammar and all that. Bulk miner are those who actually invested in this project, while team miners are those that are mining for free and growing their coins by inviting people. All right, as easy as ABC. And how bulk miners invested in this project was coming over to this power up by clicking on that power up option, which showed them available plans they can purchase. As you can see, the plans right here, the coins, and how much they ought to pay to have this coin in their wallet. All right, for those of you who actually invested in this coin, what you have to do right now is to come over to this miner button, at the middle right here. Just click on that. Now once you click on that, you're going to see that there is now space for your verification, and it is very simple. The verification is very simple. You just have to click on this third icon right here, which says submit Google upgrade ID. If you have been following up with this project for a while now, you notice that the Eagle Network team have been releasing updates telling us, informing us that the bulk miner verification will start soon. All right, now not a lot of people have gotten that. If you haven't gotten the notification, just sit back and watch, and very soon you will get the notification. So once you just click on this very third one right now, you're going to see a notification that says, for Google upgraded members only, provide your Google order number from emails sent to you after you powered up, after you bought. That's what they mean. After you powered up is actually after you bought. All right, so what is the your Google order number? Hope you kept the email safe. If you kept that email safe, just provide the email sent to you. All right, so provide correct order number ID for Eagle upgrade version. The order ID that you also used, all right, that was given to you, also provided the email and the order ID, and automatically this would send. Now let me just click on submit right now, so you see how this looks like. All right, now as you can see here, it says enter your order number or ID, and the next right here is demanding for your email. It's that simple. All right, so once you're done, this faint send button right here is going to become more visible, like this cancel button. All right, it's going to become more visible like the cancel button, and all you just have to do is to click on send, and your verification will process automatically. All right, you just have to give it about, I think they were asked to wait for at least 7 working days maximum, or max 2 weeks, to get your verification done. All right, so this is the update that is going on right now. But to add to this, I'm just going to update you about something more. All right, so if you come to the update section right here and click on phase 2 withdrawal 2022, all right, if you click on that, you're going to see important updates. As you can see right here, it says bulk miner verification starts from 8th of 11th, okay, 8th of November 2023, and the bulk miner withdrawal starts from 7th of January 2024, while team miners withdrawal starts from 7th of March 2024. There was a change. All right, so team miners are those who didn't power up. All right, team miners can start withdrawals from 7th of March 2024. So verification for bulk miners will start from this. All right, just like I told you before, to 2024. All right, so this is basically it, guys. This is basically it. And for those of us who are planning to withdraw bulk miners, make sure that your Cryptokara wallet is updated properly. If not, you might run into complications. Already, Eagle Network team gave an update on how to update your Cryptokara wallet properly. In case you didn't see that update, I'll leave a link in the description of this video, which you can use to watch the video I created on how to update your Cryptokara wallet properly, alright, so you don't get any form of complications or anything. Alright, that video is very important. If you don't update your Cryptokara wallet properly, you might end up losing your tokens. Now, I also want to quickly say this update also applies to the Eagle Cloud Miner app, which is the Catapult protocol token. Alright, so if you mine this very app right now, which is also a native token of the Eagle network, created by the core team of Eagle network, then you also have to come over to this miner section right now. And then click on this very box right here, this drop down arrow right here, which also says submit your Google upgrade ID, and that is for people who also powered up, people who also bought some coins to increase their assets. All right, people also powered up by clicking on this very power up button right here. So this update applies for both miner apps. So that's it, guys. This is the video I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, and if you don't want to miss out on updates like this, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to off so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. I would also advise you to follow our social media community, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Just join anyone you wish to. If you join all, still better for you, your gain, all right? And you will get updated more faster whenever I create videos like this, or whenever I need to drop updates for the community. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll remain your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick. Peace out.